Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I review celebrity dolls every Friday, and today I want to show you this cute little 9-inch Angie Dickinson policewoman doll. She's from 1976 and she's vintage and she's a cool little doll. Angie Dickinson was a movie and television star back in the 60s and 70s. And this was the coolest show ever. I loved it. As a child, I thought she was the coolest of the cool characters. And she did all kinds of different things. She wasn't afraid of anything. She was something else, and I loved watching her television show. I've got two of the Angie Dickinson dolls. These are HORSMAN dolls. HORSMAN. As I said, these are 9-inch dolls. And she's got short platinum blonde hair and a little bob, a little page boy, I guess maybe you would call it. It's very cute. I love her hairstyle. She's got platinum blonde hair. She's got a little detective coat on. I don't remember her wearing that in the series, but she might have. She might have been doing some kind of work where she needed to wear a trench coat. She's in minty condition. I just took her out of the box to show her closer, and it's easy to remove these dolls from the box because they're not taped up, and then you can put them right back in the box. But I got her unboxed, and so I believe that she was never removed from box until I took her out for this video. She's wearing underneath her trench coat a red knit one-piece leotard or jumpsuit. It's got long sleeves. There's the neckline, and it goes all the way down to her heels. And then she's got these cute little brown lace-up boots on. I love these little 9-inch dolls. I also love 7-inch dolls. They're just adorable. Now this is the same doll, the same policewoman doll, 1976 HORSMAN. And she's wearing one of her fashions. She came with adventure fashions. This one is called Hostess to Danger. And I'm going to show you those in a little bit more detail on the box. But look at her adorable stewardess hat here. It's got the wings on the top, on the front of the cap, elastic around the hat to hold it on her head really well. Cute little pink cotton top, crisp cotton, that has the same emblem, the wings, an adorable skirt. And then look at her cute little bag, all matching pieces. And then she's got black pumps on, medium heel for the job that she had to do. Super cute. I love this. Let me bring her forward too so you can see her face. She has brown eyes. I should have brought the other doll forward because it's easier to see. She's got brown eyes, dark brown eyebrows, looks like 5 lashes at the top, no lashes at the bottom. She's got one tiny white dot in her eye. Her lips are peach. She's got some teeth showing. She's got some dimples. She's a pretty little doll. I love her so much. The box says that she's posable. Her arms move up and down, and they do move in and out. Her head turns from side to side, but it's stiff from being in the box. But there she goes. She can bend at the waist. Her legs are also bendable. She's adorable. Now let me move her to the side so I can show you the box in more detail. Okay, we've got Policewoman here, and look how that's really cool. It has the lipstick for the eye in Policewoman. It says law enforcement officer in a million. Policewoman is the beautiful blonde undercover cop who plays many roles. She's tough and courage never fails her, but underneath it all there's a sincere human being full of compassion. Maybe that's one reason she's so good at her job. Then over here, here's a great graphic of Angie Dickinson. Inside the shield, this is what she looked like. I love her hat. I have a hat similar to this, only it's not denim. I have it in a gray, and every time I wore that hat, my mother-in-law would say I was wearing my go to hell hat, and that's super cool. Yeah, she was cool too, and I love thinking about her then whenever I wear that hat. Over here, again, the same logo with a lipstick. Beautiful undercover cop of the famous TV drama. Collect all her outfits and equipment and act out her thrilling assignments for yourself. Angie Dickinson is the star of Columbia Pictures Television's Policewoman. Okay, now here it says look out for all these assignment packs. Hostess to Danger, style 8002. There she is in her little Hostess to Danger outfit. Whoops. Yeah, there she is. Then she's also got Undercover Mission Style 8005. And let's see what these other ones are. This one here is called Race Against Time, style 8004. Looks like it's a motorcycle or a motor scooter. And then this one looks really cool. Sabotage Under the Sea, style 8001. Looks like she's fighting off an octopus. She's got a little knife in her hand. She's got a job to be done there. Then down at the bottom, we've got Surprise from the Skies, style 8003. She's got a little parachute. Very, very cool stuff. Now from the front of the box, it says that she's completely posable, flexible arms, knees that bend, jointed hips, bends and twists her head, bends and twists at the waist. I didn't try that out. Let me see how that works. For bending and twisting. Oh yeah, she does that really well. Does not include hat, purse, or binoculars. This is all that came with her. Her trench coat, her jumpsuit, and her boots. To find out about Policewoman's dangerous assignments, see over, and we looked at those. Beautiful undercover cop of the famous TV drama. Something crime rare. It's got sticker residue there. I can't see exactly what's on there. Angie Dickinson is the star of Columbia Pictures Television's Policewoman. Not recommended for children under 3 years. Columbia Pictures Television. This doll is item number 8000. You can see that there at the top. So she's a very cool doll to have in your collection. I don't know if as many of you are as old as I am, but I was lucky enough to see these first run when they came out. I'm sure that they're available somewhere that you can watch them. It's a great show. She had an interesting relationship with one of her co-stars, Earl Holliman. They had a very wonderful affection for each other, and they helped each other out constantly. There was 2 other guys that was in her group, and they were super cool too. One of them wore a really cool hat. And if you get a chance to see this, especially if you were a child in the 70s and you remember this show, check the TV shows out again. They're super cool and they're timeless. So I hope you liked my video. I hope you liked my little Angie Dickinson Policewoman dolls. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.